Did you know rosemary is more than just a fragrant herb used in cooking? It's a powerhouse of health benefits. This humble herb, often used to season our favorite dishes, has a lot more to offer than just its delightful aroma and savory flavor. Firstly, rosemary is great for brain health. It contains carnosic acid, a compound that can shield your brain from neurodegeneration. This means it can help improve your memory and cognitive function. But that's not all. Rosemary also has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It works to reduce inflammation and pain, potentially offering relief for conditions like arthritis. And let's not forget about rosemary's antioxidant power. It's packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This action could lower your risk of chronic diseases. So the next time you're cooking, remember that a sprinkle of rosemary does more than just add flavor to your dish. As we delve deeper, you'll see that rosemary's benefits extend far beyond the kitchen. This fragrant herb is a powerful ally in promoting digestion, as it stimulates the production of bile, aiding in the breakdown of fats. But it doesn't stop here. Rosemary's antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid, give a much-needed boost to our immune systems, helping to ward off infections. Moreover, rosemary can enhance blood circulation, contributing to a healthier heart and improved well-being. Some studies even suggest potential anti-cancer properties in rosemary, possibly inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. But the benefits of rosemary extend beyond physical wellness. It's a natural stress reliever whose aroma has been shown to reduce tension and promote relaxation. Rosemary vapors can alleviate respiratory issues, and the oil is often used in hair and skin products for its stimulating and antibacterial properties. Impressed yet? Well, there's more to rosemary than meets the eye. Have you ever considered rosemary as a pain reliever or a mood enhancer? Well, it's time you did. This herb's hidden gems extend beyond the kitchen. Topically applied rosemary oil can soothe muscle pain and soreness, acting as a natural pain reliever. Moreover, research suggests that rosemary may help regulate blood sugar levels, a boon for those managing diabetes. Beyond these, rosemary also holds the secret to youth. The antioxidants present in this herb can potentially slow down the aging process, safeguarding your skin from damage caused by UV radiation and free radicals. And if you're feeling a bit low, rosemary can lift your spirits too. The aroma of this herb has been linked to improved mood and reduced feelings of anxiety and depression. So rosemary is not just an herb, it's a bouquet of health benefits waiting to be explored. Add it to your meals and let the magic of rosemary work on your health.